Footballers should always be choosing sourdough bread over conventional bread, and here's why. Sourdough bread is just a lot more nutritious because during the fermentation process, it removes a lot of the anti-nutrients, like phytic acid, which we know is responsible for binding to minerals in our body and stopping us from actually absorbing them. And also during that fermentation process, it removes a lot of the gluten out of the bread, which makes it easiest to digest and won't irritate the gut. I'm not a big fan of football-themed bread, but if you're going to eat it, stick to sourdough bread. And if you want to know more about which foods to eat to increase your performance, click the link in the bio and get access to a free football diet masterclass for a limited time only.